Let's verify your age on Roblox mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. Now the first thing we need to do is get to your settings. So scroll down and tap on settings here, and you can verify your age in the app one of two different ways. One is by taking a selfie to verify your age using AI, or another way is to upload a photo ID. I'll show you both options. So from here, let's just get to where it says your age. So in my case, it says age group 21 plus and checked. However, my birthday has not been verified. It says use an ID to verify your birthday. You might see another option on here, but if you click on it, essentially it will ask you if you wanted to use a selfie. Basically take a selfie photo and it will base your age based on an AI guesstimation of what your age is. Now you can just enter in this two-step verification and go through and upload a photo ID. However, if you don't see it in here or if it doesn't work, another option is just to go to a web browser and we can just type in verify age Roblox. And then on here, you'll be able to see ID verification. Now, it says basically go through the steps that I just said. Again, you can continue with selfie or continue with ID. But if either of these don't show up or don't work, you can just contact support and they'll be able to help you verify your age. So just hit need more help, contact support here. And now all you're going to do is enter in your birthday, your true birthday here, or just log in and then go through the process of filling out the form so that they'll get back to you and help you verify your age in your account.